Bay Windows Lexington are a popular choice for homeowners looking to enhance their property's curb appeal and functionality. These windows not only add a touch of elegance but also provide additional space and natural light. Custom Bay Windows Lexington offers a variety of designs to suit any architectural style, ensuring that your home stands out in the neighborhood. Window Installation Lexington is a crucial service for both new constructions and renovations. Professional Lexington window installation ensures that your windows are fitted correctly, providing maximum energy efficiency and security. Our team of Window Experts Lexington is dedicated to delivering top-notch service and craftsmanship. Energy-efficient windows. Lexington are essential for reducing energy costs and maintaining a comfortable indoor environment. These windows are designed to minimize heat transfer, keeping your home cool in the summer and warm in the winter. Window upgrades. Lexington can significantly improve your home's energy efficiency, leading to substantial savings on utility bills. Wooden Bay Windows Lexington offer a classic and timeless look that enhances the beauty of any home. These windows are crafted from high-quality wood, providing excellent insulation and durability. Wooden Bay Windows Lexington are perfect for those who appreciate traditional aesthetics and craftsmanship. Vinyl Windows Lexington are a durable and cost-effective option for homeowners seeking low-maintenance solutions. These windows are resistant to weathering and require minimal upkeep, making them an ideal choice for busy households. Vinyl Windows Lexington are available in various styles and colors to match any home decor. Window replacement. Lexington is a cost-effective alternative to replacement for minor damages or issues. Our skilled technicians can address problems such as broken glass, faulty seals, and hardware malfunctions. Lexington Window Services provide prompt and reliable window repair to restore your windows to optimal condition. Lexington Window Services encompass a wide range of offerings, from installation to maintenance and repair. Our team of window contractors Lexington is committed to providing exceptional service and quality workmanship. Whether you need residential Windows Lexington or commercial Windows Lexington, we have the expertise to handle any project. Bay window design is an art that combines functionality with aesthetics. Our designers work closely with clients to create custom Bay Windows Lexington that complement their home's architecture and style. Bay Window Design Lexington ensures that your windows are both beautiful and practical.